Good morning. So it's very noisy out there. I've got the windows open. It's still hot. I thought I'm going to share with you a bit of reno or decorating. And I just thought it'd be interesting and different to film. So I shall show you. We're going to change this back wall to that exposed brick finish, you know, to give it that kind of like industrial sort of warehouse chic loft apartment kind of thing. So we're just going to do that whole wall. Oh, it's so freaking noisy. And see how it looks. So they'll be coming around tomorrow morning at the crack of arse. Great. And I thought I'll just film it for you so you can see the before and after and what it looks like, because I think a lot of people are doing this exposed brick. It's kind of trendy, do you know what I mean? You might be interested in it yourself, and you might want to see what it actually looks like and what the quality's like. So it's not wallpaper, it's actual brick that they've cut thinly and then they put on so it's authentic, do you know what I mean? So I thought I'd share that with you, and so see what you think. Check back with you tomorrow. Hello. So what we're going to be doing here, we're actually using real bricks, which not a lot of people knew. My mum thought you were actually going to be taking down the whole wall to expose the brick.
Gosh, I thought he's gonna rip it down.
No, it's like just as it's the cut very thin.
Yeah.
And it's stuck on. That's what I'm assuming. It's stuck on like glue. It's not a
Oh, okay. All right, that's interesting for people to see. Actually, yeah.
Yeah, no, that's what I thought. So I thought I'd film that tomorrow.
Here, look, see my
That's my mum.
One parrot.
Does not want to be on there, I don't know. She said, what do you want to do that for? And I said, well, no, it's it's not like that.
Bricks have been cut down to 23mm. We'll stick it on a board.
Right.
And put it on the wall.
Brilliant. Okay. We're going to the pub, as you do. Do you know? That's what we do here. We go to the pub. Because, you know, what else? If you can't go to the pub, what can you do? You know? Let's see what they've got.
Or do we know the table number?
No, we don't know the table number.
Can you?
I'll find out the table number. Nat, what's the table number? 38. It's 38.
38. Then we're gonna have one latte. Do you have something?
No.
Okay, just normal.
So we're all having smashed avocado and black coffees. Look how lovely this looks. And we all got that, didn't we?
Yes, we did indeed.
They're very delicious. Wow! That was just so fast. Like in a blink of an eye.
The bus felt like that took ages.
Oh my god. So now I assume you put the you actually put the cement inside.
Yeah.
So like you're actually bricking a wall. That is incredible.
Tell your friends.
Yeah, I will. Tell my neighbours, you can do all their houses. Wow. That is unbelievable. Cladding complete. Doesn't it look fantastic? I am really, really impressed. I mean, this, you know, it's like, it's brick, it's brick. Very impressed, excellent work, so happy. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to have a nice, you know, trendy modern feature wall, then definitely look up ML Brickwork Southern. They are incredible. They do the brickwork and cladding for places like Tesco's, Asda, Liberties of London, Coach Regent Street, Primark, McDonald's. I will link all the details below so you can check them out for yourselves. And in the meantime, hope you're well, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.